Hey everybody, it's Brad here in Middle Tennessee. We got 3 straight days of rain. Not nearly as bad as my family over in East Tennessee. They're in Knoxville. They're safe and everything, but there's some infrastructure destruction over there in East Tennessee. So, but it's rained here forever. It's treacherous terrain here, but I got to feed the horses, so I'm gonna bring them a bale. But thoughts out there with the people in East Tennessee right now. And North Carolina and all those other places. But I know the ones in East Tennessee. Let those glow plugs loose. It's not cold. So the old Kubota's got a homemade roof that Gray made. It's perfect. And it'll keep me a little bit dry today. At least I'm not getting rained on when I'm still. Let it warm up a little bit. Gonna move these 3 bales. Okay, Gray had put some nice gravel in here, but he couldn't get this gravel because I still had hay bales over here. So I got those out of the way while I was down here. I put a couple right here. I'll take them up to the red barn. There's room now. I'll take that bale up to the horses, and then I'll bring the John Deere back right here where it's supposed to go. It's been out in the rain for a day. So I may swap the John Deere here in just a minute. All right, I had borrowed the John Deere yesterday to get some wood chips. I made a short video out of that. I'm not sure if it ever even got posted, but I had a quick delivery and I didn't have a bucket on anything. So let me go put the John Deere back in the barn and then I'll walk back over here. I didn't film everything, but it's a couple 100 yards, that's all. And it's letting up, so I'm going to take advantage right now while it's a light monsoon. In my opinion, just a beautiful tractor. That's the 6300. I believe it's 75 horsepower. And it's from the 90s. Just been a great tractor for Gray. Let the old girl warm up for a minute. I love this console. It's a shifter from the 90s. I love this tractor. I let it warm up. I don't try to take her when she's just cold. It's high 60s right now, I think. Well, I'm sitting here. There's the alternate spot for the wood chips. That's why I borrowed the John Deere. And it's full. I've been taken out of here now, but it's just not as convenient because you have to bring a tractor and a trailer. Usually there's some shuttling involved, but it gave us a chance to get it all straightened up at the red barn. I'm ready to receive it up there now. All right, I think I'm gonna try it. She's got a little bit to wake up. I'll just drive slow. Sounds good. Love it. All right, safe and sound under the roof. Love it. I didn't put the bush hog down. Big Blue's still dry. Real gentle rain right now. This area right here is the same area that flooded 3 years ago, you know, over my head right here, and carried a lot of our fences away. And so this isn't anything compared to that. That was when the town of Waverly got hit real bad, and it came downstream from there a little bit, but we're doing okay right now. Yeah. So this is what flooded out. We had our round pen down here for the horses, and this is water came this way and flooded everything downstream that way. So we're doing way better than we were that, you know, a few years ago. Let's do it. Well, the rain picked up. I didn't film my, I just put it over the fence there. I'll move the hay ring later. It had picked up and they're enjoying it. Okay, so anyway, short video. Just wanted to show you we're okay. Our thoughts are out there in East Tennessee and closer to the coast and wherever this dang hurricane's going next. But I hope everybody's okay. I'm seeing a lot of video footage from East Tennessee that's a lot of water moving over there and threatening some dams and then all the consequences from that. So anyway, we're watching TV and still have power here, and I hope everybody out there is doing okay. Thank y'all very much.